This video shows how you can install the metamask wallet in Chrome browser. So you can see that right now I have already installed this metamask in my browser, but if you haven't installed, you can install it by just clicking on these three dots and then click on more tools and then click on extensions, and over there you can search for the extensions. You can see that metamask is already there, and you can click on get more extensions. Here you can type the name of the extension like metamask, and you can see that this is there. You can also check the address of that particular extension, like this metamask extension has been provided by metamask.io. so there are lots of other extensions which are scam ones. So you can see that this one is a scam one, metamask, and you can also find out which is scam one and which is not scam one by looking at these ratings as well. So you can see that for this extension there are no ratings at all. So do not install any shitty extensions. Just click on this one, and here you can see that there are 9 lakh users of this particular extension. So this also indicates that this is the correct extension, or the this is not the scam one. And after that all you have to do is just click on this add to Chrome. Right now I already added to the Chrome, so I don't need to do it. That's how you can install the metamask, and once it is installed you can click on this button and then you can access your wallet. So it will also show all the transactions, etc. In the initially it will ask you to like set the remember some words, that is also called as seed key, that is used to recover your metamask wallet. And once that is done, you can send, receive, buy ether from this. You can also load the tokens as well. Thanks for watching this video.